will be downloading our zip file instead of our exe file. Okay, so we're going to download our zip file here. Okay, install our zip file here. Okay, all good. Okay, so now what we're going to do, let's close this. Okay, go to our GoFish. Okay, this is our web server. Our web server is running. MSF console is running. Let's take a look at the jobs. It's having our session listener. So I'm going to log in. Since we have already built our template from yesterday, we do not have to build our template from scratch. Okay, that's the benefit of having a GoFish or a server. So what we're going to do now, go to landing pages. Okay, go to landing pages. And now we're going to copy the same thing. We are going to, sorry, not going to copy, we are going to edit the page. And the HTML part is going to be our HTML file that we edited now. Okay, so it's going to be in this index.html. So I'm going to use my clipboard to copy it. You can open up in text or anything, copy it to your clipboard. So I copy paste here. So now the user, when he click here, it will redirect to our zip file instead of the exe file. So now I'm going to create a new campaign. Okay, I'm going to, let's say I'm going to do day 2. Okay, I'm going to put day 2, fake COD installer. Okay, email template we have created yesterday, so no need to create a new one. Website we have just modified. So now we are going to specify our email IP address. And now our select group is going to be company employees target. Launch campaign. Okay. As you can see here in campaign, email is sent. Okay, now let's go to our victim machine. Victim machine. Now this is our attacker machine. Just imagine that the user is logging in into his machine. So let's say John. Okay, so he's logging in into the machine. Okay, good. He has logged in. So he's going to his email address. Okay, let's say he's going to his email address. Okay, gmail.com. Login. Okay, what we do now, let's log into our infrastructure, which is our Gmail account, our attacker email address. Let's see what happens now. Okay, permas phishing. Okay, permas phishing. Add, okay, password. Okay, so now we have logged in. Let's take a look what happens when he goes to our phishing site. So he's logging in into his email account. We are logging in into our email account. Give it some time. Okay, so what are we going to do is we're going to delete all of this first, make it easier for us to spot. Okay, and I think he has logged into his account now. Let's close our other Chrome. Okay, my Windows is not responding. Yeah. Okay, just give me a second. Oh shit. Just give me a second. Okay, got this. Hopefully it loads. Okay, it's loading. It's going to the inbox. Let's see. Come on. Okay, so it's not responding. So let me just restart my Windows VM. Just give me a sec. It's lagging. Let's restart the machine first. Okay, just give me five minutes. Okay, so we have deleted all of our inbox and everything. We have our infrastructure, email is sent, and we have our MetaPreta session, we have our GoFish, we have our web server, and now we are good to go. Okay, just wait for it to download and boom, you're good. So what we have in the zip file are stages. The stages we have created. So the stages are going to call to our server to download robots.txt, htaccess, and also our original COD installer. Okay, so we have sent it through our GoFish, and hopefully it has been received by our victim. Okay, so let's log in as our victim. Okay, Windows. Just give it some second, guys. Boot up. It's gonna be fast after this. Come on. Okay, so this is my account. I'm not gonna run it on my account. So I'm gonna run it on John's account. So John is our target here. So it's gonna be realistic, John, and now it's fast. That's great. So you guys don't know what's the password. Okay, so okay, you guys don't really know what's the password, but you guys will be knowing the password shortly after logging into the account. So let's take a look. Okay, let's open up Google Chrome. Please give me some time. This email.com. Come on, load up. Load up. And should be working. Come on. And I think works. Okay, cool. Okay, as you can see here, the previous one was yesterday's mail, but today's mail, let's take a look here. In today's mail, we have successfully sent our email, same like yesterday, but we have changed our phishing emails address. I mean, phishing server's address, okay? So it will be going and calling out our zip file instead. So, okay. So let's run this, and it's going to go to our phishing site. Okay. If you go down here, if you go down here, okay, if you go down here, and if you close this page, you'll be getting our click here link. Okay, so when you click here, it's going to go to our server and download the install a zip file. Okay, so the victim will think that, oh, it's a zip file. Okay, let's show in folder. Let's take a look in our folder. Okay, it's downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. And in a while. Okay, it's still downloading, taking some time. And yeah, we got it. So let's extract all. Okay, extracted. We go here and he say that read me before running PDF. Okay, so it doesn't work here. So something went wrong in our scripting attack. That's why I told you guys, if we, oh yeah, okay, if the person enables file name extension, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. If they didn't enable file name extension, it's gonna be like this. But why we made file spoofing? Because we want to make sure that it looks like a PDF. So if a person thinks that, oh, okay, let's read this first. Okay, run. Hey, why Windows PowerShell is spawning? I don't know. Okay, and let's refresh this. We should be getting a hit, and boom, we have a payload executed, and robots.txt done. Next, we have a John. John, okay. Let's say fake password. Fake password. Okay. Refresh this. Okay. Just take a while. So today, guys, sending email is taking a lot time. Okay. A lot of a time. But tomorrow we'll be using our C2 framework, which will save a lot of time. It will be so fast and instantaneous whenever the person clicks the link. So if you see here, it's invalid creds. So let me just enter the real password. So it's going to be, okay. So it's a password, and you see it spawned our Metasploit. And give it some time, and boom, we have a shell. Okay, we have a shell. We have refresh this. Valid creds. Okay, if you take a look at the creds, it says very secure password at 123. It's a very secure password. Okay, so it says valid creds. And as you can see here, the person wouldn't actually be suspicious because it's saying that, oh, okay, I'm just going to install my game. Boom, he installed his game, done. But he doesn't realize that his password is out and we have a session. And boom, we have compromised the machine, guys. Done. That's all for today's session. We have compromised the machine, we have stolen his credentials, and tomorrow I'll be showing you guys how to move all of this into a command and control infrastructure, which will be handling through HTTP protocol. And from there, we will be exploiting and performing post-exploitation. This is going to be very interesting as well. Post-exploitation, and finally, I'm going to let you guys know how to prepare for OSCP and also certifications, something like CH practical and stuff like that. Okay, any questions, guys, before we end our session? Any questions? No. Okay, all good, guys. All right, cool. Thanks, Abhinav. Hope to see you tomorrow as well. Okay. So if there's no any questions, we can meet tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. So we will meet tomorrow, and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.